Okay, you may choose. So she picked judge number 3. So it's gonna be question number 8. Judge number 3.
Okay, are you ready? Okay. How do you plan to stay true to yourself while fulfilling the responsibilities of a title holder? How do you plan to stay true to yourself while fulfilling the responsibilities of a title holder?
To stay true to myself while fulfilling the responsibility of a title holder is that I will focus on impactful action like fostering positive change and manage expectation, and inspire others for a better society. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 1, Miss Maribel Joaquin. Once again, a big round of applause for our candidate number 1. Now, we call on our candidate number 2, Miss Melody Grace Saliwan. Judge number 5, question number 20.
First is the language barrier, long working hours, exploitation and abuse of some employers, poor living condition, cultural differences, and discrimination. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Now we call on our candidate number 3, Miss Queen S. Mendoza.
Alright, so candidate number 3. Okay, just enjoy the show, okay?
Thank you.
Okay, just pick a question. This one, please. So you pick judge number 1. And judge number 1 will be able to read the question number 16.
The question is, how do you plan to leave a legacy and inspire future generation as a title holder?
Thank you. If I won the title, I will fulfill my responsibility with integrity and grace near to perfection. I will stay true to myself, and also I will leave a legacy with helping those people who less fortunate than us, the homeless and the poor. And I would strongly advocate the education and healthcare and fight for the climate change, because I do believe that beauty pageant is not just about pretty faces. This is also about purpose of hard work and confidence. And this crown is not just an accessory. This is also a symbol of kindness, courage, and a heart that's willing to lead. Thank you! Thank you so much, candidate number 3, Ms. Feliz Mendoza. Now we call on our candidate number 4, Ella Jane Yulika
question and answer. Are you not ready for your question?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so you pick or you choose judge number 3. It's gonna be question number 13.
How do you plan to leave legacy and inspire future generations as a title holder?
Pabalik-balik lang yung mga question. No.
With everything that you have going on, how will you handle the responsibilities of the crown if you are selected?
Thank you for that wonderful question.
Hindi, parehas
With
lang.
everything that I am going on,
Parehas
how
lang.
will
Parang
handle the
balik, ano lang
responsibilities of
ba?
the crown. Can you please repeat the question?
Si Bosso.
Contain sila, 11 ka question, tapos
Hawakan
magawa
mo.
sila.
With everything that you have going on,
Hayaan mo,
how will
hayaan
you
mo.
handle the responsibilities
Hayaan mo.
of the crown if you are selected?
If given a chance to be selected as the next Miss Universe Philippines Cyprus 2025, I will handle the responsibilities of the crown by providing an advocacy or a platform. Or even, I will manage by balancing my work and my time management as well, as if given a chance. By this way, I can manage to showcase the responsibility as well.
Nalimutan niya, nalinggo ngayon.
So much candidate number 4, Ella Jane Unigaw. Now we call on our candidate number 5, Miss Susana Espirito Lambres. Hello po, how are you today? You ready for your question? Oh, so this is the moment that we've been waiting for. So you will pick the question, then I will then give it to me because I will be able to read.
Pero ako mahaba dito ano, Ford.
You choose judge number 4, question 19.
What is the best advice you could give to those young Filipinos who wanted to be an OFW due to poverty? To those young people who want to go forward, don't be naive. Be
Hello,
strong.
Nat.
Be strong. There
Tinamay
were
ako
times
alaga
that
eh.
you will cry without knowing it on yourself. But be strong for your dreams.
Hello, Nat. Ella,
It is
what do
your
you want?
dreams, and it is yourself. Stand alone. No one will help you. Keep in your mind that nobody will help you. It is all yourself that you can achieve all your dreams with all yourself.
Not it's all
Don't
in your
rely on
cupboard.
others. Don't trust others. Believe me. Because I am stand by myself.
All in your cupboard, Ate. Bye, because I am a
Wow!
rebel.
What a powerful answer!
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. Now we call on candidate number 6, Ms. Rochelle De La Cruz.
Hello, are you ready? Okay, you pick. Okay, you choose judge number 4. Question number 4, please.
Describe a characterable cause that is close to your heart and explain why it matters to you. I repeat. Describe a charitable cause that is close to your heart and explain why it matters to you. Thank you for your wonderful question.
A charitable cause that is closest to my heart is the mental health awareness. Too many people suffer in silence because of stigma or the fear of judgment. And this
Hi, thank
matters
you.
to me because I believe that when we break the stigma, we can all healing. And also, if I'm given this crown, I will use the platform to advocate for open conversation, accessible support, and in a world where no one feels alone with their struggle. Because mental health is about, it's not just about surviving, but about
Bet ko kaya ang number
thriving.
6.
I believe that everyone deserves that chance. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6, Rochelle de la Cruz. Now we call on candidate number 7, Lourdes Rizon Camacho.
You choose judge number 3, question number 18, please.
What is the best advice